Any sharks around here?
No.
No? What about Chrissy Shark?
Oh,
She's a good shark, right?
you know what? Let me go get Chrissy Shark.
Okay.
Okay. So we wrote a song for Chrissy.
Yep. Well, you had a request. You got a request?
Yes, I got a request from Christine Shoot Day by Day on YouTube, and she wanted us to make a cake for her daughter Chrissy.
Her daughter Chrissy, who has special needs, is not expecting, she's only 3. She is looking forward to her 3rd birthday.
Yeah, she's gonna be 3, and she loves the shark. But because of copyright, we decided to do our own song and our own cake. The first chapter of this video is the tutorial for the cake, and if you don't want the tutorial part, you can skip over that, and you can just go and watch the music and dance.
Yeah.
So, which is Chrissy Shark Cake Dance.
Right. What could go wrong?
And also, we had a lot of people that sent in clips, kids dancing, and people wishing Chrissy happy birthday, and we want to thank all those people. So we'll have their names in the videos.
And we want you to send in some comments.
Oh, yeah.
And video of dancing, and we'll put it in there somewhere.
Too late for that.
Well, never mind.
But you can help. You can help make Chrissy's birthday special by leaving a comment below. If you guys want to dance along with us, I'm talking to all the kids out there and the adults. You can do all the different characters. Chrissy Shark, Wally Whale, Wally Whale, Sammy Starfish, Jenny Jellyfish. Love that. And if you have a special needs child who would like a special song written for them and a cake, please let us know.
Happy birthday, Chrissy!
This is Chrissy's Shark Cake tutorial. The template is at the website for you of all the characters. The link is below the video. Chrissy's cake, Chrissy Sharp cake. Chrissy's cake, Chrissy Sharp cake.
Look at this cake, the finest ever baked.
Chrissy's cake, Chrissy Sharp cake.
They wanna bite, it's such a lovely sight.
Chrissy's cake, Chrissy Sharp cake.
Condition to see, you have to come and see.
Chrissy's cake, Chrissy Sharp cake.
And if you're really nice, you might just get a slice.
Chrissy's cake, Chrissy Sharp cake.
Here comes Sammy Starfish, he would like a bite. Chrissy, can he have some? You are out of sight.
Chrissy's cake, Chrissy Sharp cake.
Wally Well is hungry and he loves to eat. Chrissy, can he have some? Your cake is so sweet.
Chrissy's cake, Chrissy Sharp cake.
Jenny Jellyfish wants a little taste. Chrissy, can she have some? She loves sugar paste.
Chrissy's cake, Chrissy Sharp cake. Chrissy's cake, Chrissy Sharp cake.
Hey everybody, Chrissy said yes. Let's all do the Chrissy Sharp cake dance. Are you ready, Sammy Starfish?
Yeah!
Are you ready, Wally Whale?
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready, Jenny Jailfish?
Uh-huh.
Let's do it!
Chrissy's cake dance.
Chrissy Sharp cake dance.
This is your big chance to do the dance.
Dance, dance. Alright.
Chrissy's cake dance.
Chrissy Sharp cake dance.
This is your big chance to do the dance.
Chrissy's cake dance. Chrissy Sharp cake dance.
This is your big chance to do the dance.
Happy birthday, Chrissy! Happy birthday, Chrissy!
Happy birthday, Chrissy! Happy birthday, Chrissy! Happy birthday, Chrissy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Okay.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chrissy. Happy birthday, we love you. Mwah! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chrissy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Sing it. Happy birthday to you. Happy third. Say third birthday, dear Chrissy. Say it. Happy birthday to you. Dance, dance. Dance, take clap. Dance around. Yay! Okay, blow kisses.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Chrissy says thank you, everybody.